aloe vera. Aloe vera is one herb. This is called as Grit Kumari or Ghee Kumar in Ayurveda and Hindi, and it actually aids in blood purification. The blood, because it helps to subside and or decrease the aggravated heat that forms in the system, and it is naturally mucoid, it is naturally cold in action, it is slimy herb. So I would suggest that you should take two aloe vera. Internal as well as external use is suggested. External use, you can take some pulp of aloe vera, the juice of aloe vera, apply to the skin. So this helps in the healing part. And then internal use, you can take it inside also. You could bring this at least 20 ml juice of aloe vera at least twice a day. This is supportive. Second one is neem or margosa tree. So in India over here, we are really we understand that neem is, because this is one herb that is a total natural cleanser. This helps to detox the body, cleanse the body inside out, uh, purification of the blood. Because Ayurveda relates any kind of skin ailment, it comes up because of the skin becoming uh, you know full of toxins, and the purification is so needed. That is why internal as well as external use of neem is suggested. Externally, you can crush the leaves, the juvenile leaves of neem. They are actually suggested. You could crush the leaves and make it into a paste and apply on the skin. If you're anybody suffering from these problems, you could suggest. Or otherwise also, internally you could crush it and pound it, make it into small balls, and 2 to 3 balls can be taken every day on an empty stomach. This is suggested. This helps to cleanse the system, and it also is works as a natural antiseptic, natural antipyretic. Itching problem is also very common skin problem, so then also it helps, and it's a natural wound healer also. It helps to uh, cleanse your system. Then the next herb is turmeric. Turmeric or haldi or haridra, we call in Ayurveda and Hindi. This is curcuma longa. So the property is specially is, and it is naturally antiseptic. It is wonderful anti-allergic. There are so many preparations of haridra or haldi, because curcumin is the main ingredient that works wonderfully well on the skin and helps to reduce some kind of even the dosha imbalance, if it could be there, and the allergies that could come up. It helps to reduce the inflammation, and it is bound to have a skin healing properties very naturally. The next herb, sandalwood. Sandalwood, we call it chandan in Hindi and in Ayurveda. So this is again another herb that is antitoxic, it is rejuvenating uh, for the entire body system. It is beauty enhancing also. So it is very much advised to be used as a paste to be applied on the skin to enhance the beauty. It can be the powder of this herb. This is pounded, made into powder, and the raw turmeric can be added to it, and then with the raw milk, some of the like cow's milk, if it is possible. So then this paste is applied onto the skin. This helps to naturally give a supple skin. Very nice rejuvenating properties it has. So it is good. It can be taken internally also, like 3 to 5 grams of this the herbal powder. This can be taken, and externally you can apply it on the skin. And you can, the oil is also available of this herb. So you can mix it with some coconut oil or sesame seed oil or the til telam. So this can be mixed, and this can be applied on the skin ailments. Then it is very helpful. Another herb, this is rose. Rose, is virtuous for the skin. It is beneficial, very much beneficial for the skin ailments, and also as a protective for the skin also. It is naturally light, it is naturally slimy, it is cold, very rich in vitamin C. So internally also it can be taken, and externally as well. You can apply the rose water onto the skin. The rose syrup can be taken around 20 ml, can be taken twice or thrice a day, and you can add some water in it, mix it and have it. So these remedies, all of them, one is that they are going to keep you away from the ailments. Second is a person, if you're seeing any patients with coming up with the skin issues, so as a curative also they're going to work. The other one is saffron. Saffron or kesar we call it in Hindi. So this is also another good for skin actually. This herb. This is a wonderful blood purifier. Very natural blood purification it gives, and then it helps to balance all the three doshas: the vata dosha, the pitta dosha, and the kapha dosha, or the air, fire, and flame body humors. So it is a natural aid, and it is virtuous for the skin health. It can be taken internally. You can take a little pinch of this saffron powder with milk at bedtime, and also the local application is suggested.